Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. Hope you've all enjoyed my series, Seven Deadly Sins of Project Management or Freelancing or whatever it was. It was fun to make, especially after what happened, but yeah, who cares? I look like homeless dude. My hair is, I have a lot of hair. I mean, in the next video, probably will see me bald, but who cares? As you can read in the title over here, today I don't know, it's not today, just like starting from today. Gonna try to post some videos consistently in this YouTube channel because one of my goals for 2026 is to get, I don't know, 1,000 subscribers. Why not? I mean, a lot of people are doing some random garbage to get 1,000 subscribers, and they get 1,000 subscribers. At least if I put some interesting content, I was hoping to get subscribers, obviously. But still, as you can see, these series of videos, sorry if the volume increased randomly. I was like playing a little bit of the settings because I saw the volume wasn't raising higher than what I was expecting. Anyway, regardless. Um, as I say, this series I'm gonna take you with me on a journey to recreate my portfolio. Though I'm not really looking for a job, I'm kind of I don't know. I don't like the idea of not having a website. You know, the freelancer in me wouldn't let me do this, even though I'm working full time. Super happy with the work I have, to be honest. It's kind of stable, calm, no BS, no annoying clients and people to deal with. So it's kind of perfect, to be honest. But still, having a website to display your expertise is, I don't know how to, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like, it's, I don't know, a great thing to have, basically. It's like an asset, you know? You buy like a house and you rent it. Let's That's like the worst example. Still. Uh, and this okay. We're gonna start with taking a look at one of my at all my previous portfolios, and we're gonna take a look at how they looked, and yeah, hopefully you can have a laugh. Still, this one is one of my first ones. This is the first portfolio I had, and this one is what got me a lot of work in Upwork, at least for some time. Um, Let me get the pen. Actually, I don't think even need a pen for this. It's kind of empty because I think the Wayback Machine doesn't work properly with these. So yeah, um, simple .NET Develop. I think this one was made with the WordPress. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, this one was made with WordPress. Yeah, student when there fulfill exams to pass. This section is super dumb. Okay, so my two projects. Can we see the projects? Yeah, we cannot. Let's go back. Oh, we kind of can, but we cannot at the same time. Yeah, I guess we have to go back at this point. Go back, please. Let me go back. There we go. Um, also, this advanced eShop website and stuff. I had these two projects. They were looking cool. I'm gonna revive them just so I can. I don't know. You know what? These two old projects, I'm not gonna do anything with them because I've I've found or I've worked on much better projects, so I don't think I would need. Um, Let me remove this sharpening thing. It looks super weird. I don't think I would need these old projects to display. Of course, Blazor, Maui, WPF, C Sharp, Java. Well, JavaScript, not much. Yeah, tools. I used Azure DevOps and Oracle. Yeah, blog. Yeah, exactly. I was using WordPress. This is why you have these weird things. Remote work is the next big thing. Well, apparently it's not, especially with how it's looking currently. I mean, it's kind of contradictory because I work remotely, but still, currently not a lot of people are looking for remote workers. Yeah, this is like one of the older versions. I cannot access the December one. I don't think I even had like a December one, to be honest. So what's gonna happen right now? I don't know what I hit, but let's see. This is the second one, and you see I'm kind of older a little bit. 2023, 3 years ago. Damn, I feel old. Or 2 years ago, technically September. Yeah, there's always in this information system executed whatever specialty, intermediate, and yeah, soft skills, leadership, problem solving, adaptability, fast learning, project planning, desktop development. These are like animations are useless. There is no use for them basically. And this you can go to the website of our my college where I went. I think these were, yeah, one from my GitHub, one for my LinkedIn, and my YouTube channel. Nice. This one that you're watching on. At this point, I had like a couple of interesting projects. So yeah, I had a couple of things to display. This is a static website as well. So I kind of have I think I still have the code for this. So one of the original projects I did is a COVID-19 tracker. My first project on mobile. And then I did the real estate agency website. It was kind of an interesting website. I mean, I didn't know how to do like good UI design at that time, so I still was improving. And then I did the e-commerce website, the advanced one. This one is still like a good website. I mean, I can take it and like do a lot of advancements to it. And then I kind of don't have any pictures for this one. Sadly, I couldn't find any. But this one was like a Twitter clone for like internal use by the client. And I I don't have either the code, neither the thing. It's kind of I don't know. I feel like an idiot because I couldn't find anything about this product, like nothing, absolutely nothing. But yeah, still. Then came my internship at CTRAM, or whatever you want to call them. The tramway or the metro tramway, whatever the thing is. I still have the code for this one. It's super basic WPF, so desktop project where the people can do they can put their passwords in it and stuff. And then I made like an SEO analyzer for another client on Upwork. This one was an API, so it doesn't have any interface. And after that, a SaaS for this other client. I was basically like scammed with a lot of money for my work, but still, what can you do? And then I tried to create my own startup, which ultimately failed. To be honest, I don't know. I might release the source code for for everything here. I just have to find like secret keys and stuff. I mean, I don't think I can release anything. Maybe I can. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we can do. But yeah, Pivot.bms, such a good website. We did a lot of work, to be honest. We had a lot of work on this. This is my second one, the second proper website portfolio. So 2024, the same website. I think in 2025 I did. No, I still. No, go again. January 2024. Why can't I? Yeah, there we go. There we go. January 2025, when I created like the proper portfolio. This one I'm truly proud of. I kind of put a lot of. I mean, it doesn't look the best, but still, it is kind of a very very good website, at least in my opinion. So I should have my profile picture here, but I don't have anything. My name, Crafting Data Solutions, software engineer based in Algeria. Let's build something together. So this one takes you to the contact page, my LinkedIn, resume, email, and GitHub. You can send me an email there, and my GitHub just in case. And then about me, small section. and my programming languages. And here I did like a cool thing. I hope this translates well to video, especially on YouTube. Maybe because of the compression or something. But you can see like the text going lighter the further we go. This like you see with those like skill things where they have like a progress bar. This is similar, but in how to say, in a more appropriate way. So basically, the brighter the color, the better it looks, or the more proficient in it I am. So C sharp is good. Also, I'm fairly proficient in Java. I mean, if I see the docs, I can work with Java. PHP not much, but I still remember some stuff. JavaScript and Python barely, and then my framework, so APIs and Blazor, MVC not a lot, Maui kind of, Spring Boot, WVF, and all the other random stuff. And then for databases, MySQL, Microsoft SQL, Redis, Oracle, MongoDB, Elasticsearch. Now I also have Postgres, and I've worked with Postgres, Google Bigtable. I've worked with Cassandra, MariaDB, a lot of other databases, but I don't think this section is relevant to be honest. But I'm still gonna keep it, but still. Cloud services. So I worked a lot with DigitalOcean, Azure a little bit, AWS. I truly hate AWS. I mean, everybody makes mistakes. When I have an account, it's a mistake, and they took like $3 from me when I was like super broke student, and I really hate them for it. I still hate them for it. So, tools, Git, Visual Studio 2022, Postman, RabbitMQ, Docker, stuff like that. I don't think RabbitMQ should be in here, but still, I mean, it's kind of a tool to be honest. Yeah, education, master's degree, engineering, and currently doing a PhD. So I'm super goated. I don't know why I did this. Why did I like do this emote? Doesn't make sense. It doesn't mean anything. Well, okay. Currently I'm doing my PhD, so should be added as section is here as well. And then work experience. So yeah, I was freelancing, and then I started my own like startup. It failed, and then I went back to freelancing. So yeah, it's kind of a freelancing journey. Currently working with the you're gonna see when I create my own full time. But I gotta restructure this to be honest. I don't wanna make it look like this. We're gonna see what you do. And then I have like my projects. I don't think if we click on them, we'll have. Will we have? Yeah, we don't have a page because it wasn't saved, sadly. So yeah, I have my the appointment booking system. Postly, this one freelance project as well for managing content. My startup, last SaaS I did. If I go, let's show me some projects. No, I don't think it will. Does it have the page? It doesn't have the page. Yeah, this one is an old one. Sadly. Still, services. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think it has this. Well, I mean, what can we do? Let me show you what I have currently in the website and what we are starting with. So basically, I have the source code for this one, but we're gonna start from scratch, and we're gonna create something new. And it's a surprise, but I'm not gonna say it right now. Who cares? I'm gonna try and make this project like open source, so everybody can use it. And the only thing you probably might need to change is the landing page. Go in, use Claude or use ChatGPT or DeepSeek or whatever AI you like. Give him the HTML, and it should give you like back some interesting designs. In my opinion, I'm just gonna redesign it myself manually, and that's like the purpose of this series. It's to basically take you with me on this journey where I create this project platform, portfolio project, and I'm gonna keep it open source at all times. So currently, I haven't even created like the repository. So you're gonna see me progress bit by bit. But probably I'm gonna keep it private. I think until I reach like a good level of how do I say it, like a good advancement or good progress that people can actually use it, and then I can release it. And that's the only time I'm gonna release it. But still, uh, it's not bad, I guess. What else I was gonna say? Yeah, we're gonna be analyzing a lot of people's portfolios throughout this series, and we're gonna take things from here and from there until we like gather the perfect recipe for a portfolio, and at the end, we're gonna create the portfolio itself, and yeah, we're gonna have some good designs and stuff like that. That should be it for today. Quick video to show you what I have. Yeah, I forgot to show you what I have. Whoa, super blinding. Sorry for this. I'm super sorry if you get blinded by this. But basically, this is like if you go to my domain right now, it's basically just this a work in progress, and there's like a freelancing guide here. I probably will add this. I also have like another tool for invoicing. I don't know if there is like any code related to some random stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna try my best to have it display as well. I don't know why this one doesn't have any background. I'm gonna see. This one is like I made this like last year. It was basically a guide for not 2025, no, actually 2024. Because now that we're in 2026, like last year will become like a meme and a joke and stuff like that. But I really hate that joke. Okay, honestly, I don't, but I kind of make it the joke myself sometimes. But still, um, yeah. There's also like a video. This one is unlisted, so you can only the people here can watch it, and it has like what do we have? Like a lot of explanation on what you should do and everything. And then also I explain how to use the tool to get your like the perfect estimate of your freelancing project. And just to show you, um, we're gonna use this on the project that I told you I was betrayed in. Okay, so let me pause. I'm gonna get my pen and we're gonna do some crazy things. I'm back. Okay. Oh, I can move these. Nice. Let's put them here. It's like they seem they're part of. Okay, so the number of deliverables. If I did the project myself, okay, I cannot. Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, I was thinking, why isn't it working? So technically, there was like three deliverables. So web API, front end, and the mobile. Let's just say two. Average number of milestones per deliverable. So it's technically there was three. No, actually, there was yeah, three, basically three. And the average number of tasks per milestone, there was like a lot. So okay, I think we're gonna have to increase this to 12 because there is like a lot of functions we have to include. And the tasks per milestone, let's just say, I don't know, 5 tasks, because there's like create, read, update, delete, and some other custom tasks, so probably 6. Average hour per task, let's say 3. No, actually, let's see, this one, 3. Let's say there's like, I don't know, yeah, let's say it's 3 tasks per hour or hours per task. Overhead in times, there's always like 15% of overhead sometimes. Uh, yeah, inefficiencies and stuff like that. I did put a lot of effort into this. It's not made by AI. And yeah, there's like all these kinds of like, text where you can like hover over and it will give you like a very small explanation. Basically, I mean, deliverables doesn't need any explanation, but still, if you need it, you can get it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Define a scope, a number of having very yeah to avoid scope creep. I put a lot of effort into this. Let's continue. Real working hours. So how many hours am I working per day? So I'd probably say if I was for say 3. I'm not working full time for this. Days per week. Let's say 6. So 6, 7. Man, why did I make that joke? It's kind of crazy. I'm not gonna edit this video, but I just thought it's a funny joke. No, 6, 7. Still, 7 days a week. Okay, calculate. It's gonna come out to 746 hours, 249 days, 36 weeks, and monthly expenses. Okay, so I don't have a lot of monthly expenses, but still, I don't know how much. Well, let's say let's make it crazy and go $300. Desired saving. I want to save like $1,000 per month or something. You know, you gotta make it crazy. You know what I mean? Okay, actually, let's go with a realistic 500 monthly business cost. I don't know. Let's say $300. Force majeure buff. So as always, force majeure is like unexpected situations, and as you can see here, it's usually 5 and 20%. Because I hate the client, I'm gonna make it quick. I don't hate him. I hate him to be honest, but still. Estimated monthly income. There we go. There we go. So yeah, it estimated how much should be paid for this project, and yeah, calculated hourly rate. It's gonna be 15. What did I calculate it? Oh, here. Whoa, it came at 15. Subhanallah, man. I actually proposed this at the end of the project, and I told you. I think I told you the story. They agreed, and then they betrayed me. But still, profit in percent. I kind of want 15% profit, pure profit. Buffer for large project. This was like a complex project, so another 15%. It depends. My experience level, I would say I'm like in their field. I would probably put myself in intermediate, so I'm gonna take 20%. Extra additional hidden cost, no hidden costs, because I'm like a good dude. You know what I mean? If you calculate, it's gonna come out to 17,000. Okay, you can see it. I'm gonna sneak. Yeah, you should probably be able to see it like down here somewhere, like this. 17,759. Not a bad price to be honest to pay for full SaaS with like front end, back end, mobile, and everything, and like two mobile. Yeah, actually, I kind of forgot. There's like two mobile applications, so it's technically four. So let's go. We are evil. What? Okay. Yeah, $23,000. Should probably yeah. Actually, I should probably start using my own tools because I didn't use this tool to give him my estimations, but still. Yeah. Anyway, let me catch this thing. Yeah. So super interesting. Um, hope you've enjoyed this watch. 22 minutes, not bad. Thought it would take longer. Anyway, hope you're all doing well. See you. Probably not tomorrow, but still, I'm making these videos on the day I'm publishing them. So this one was made on 1st of January. I'm just gonna publish this one straight up. Yeah, hope you're all doing well. See you next time, I guess. Next year or somewhere. I'm very inconsistent with videos. So yeah, I hope I become consistent sometime. Yeah, I think I didn't say this. If you don't care, you can quit. I guess one of my goals for 2026, even though like 2026 is just like another year for me, to be honest. Like one of my goals is to actually reach 1,000 subscribers. I think that I said this at the beginning. Am I like losing memory? Anyway, yeah. Hopefully we can have some interesting things. See you tomorrow or next time.